I know. It can be tough going back to wearing a full face of makeup after you haven't been wearing makeup for a long time. Well, I'm gonna show you how to get basically a no makeup look. Fast, quick, easy. It doesn't look like you're wearing a full face of makeup, but you're doing the little things you need to just pull yourself together. Number one, I'm gonna start with concealer. Concealer is gonna be your best friend to make you look like you've had 8 hours of sleep. You wanna put it in certain areas of the face that are really gonna make you look like you've had a facelift. You wanna use gentle pats underneath the eyes. Look at that. Makes you look like you've already had your coffee. Why are brows a big deal? Trust me when I tell you, when you do your brows for the first time and you see the lift that it gives your face, oh honey, you will never go back. 2 quick, easy steps. You wanna brush up all the brows you have. I like to take a very soft and easy pencil. You wanna make sure it looks natural. So don't go in hard, just do little feathery strokes. And look at the difference already. Now, for me, blush is super important if you want to just look fresh-faced and awake. Just smile in the mirror and I want you to go very soft and gentle on the apples of the cheeks and then blend up towards your cheekbone. Yes! We're on the home stretch, guys. We're almost done. Take a shadow stick, run it quickly just over the lid. Again, you don't even need to blend if you don't want to. And wow, all of a sudden you look awake. You want even more bonus points? Add a little bit of mascara and some lip balm and you're good to go. Remember, making a little bit of effort every single day just to pull yourself together is going to make you look better, but even more importantly, going to make you feel better. Mwah. Love you.